biggest fear, that things would always remain so unclear, that one day I'd wake up all alone with a big family and emptiness deep in my bones, that I would be so blinded, turn a deaf ear, and then my fake laugh would suddenly sound sincere. And I wasn't born for anything, wasn't born to say anything. I'm just here now, and soon I'll be gone. Oh, I'm nobody's baby, I'm everybody's girl. I'm the queen of nothing, I'm the king of the world.
Now every day there's a short intermission. While I sleep they start dimming the lights, but I've seen everything I ever want to see. Screaming fire in a theater, people taking their seats. Watch it all go down like a stone in a stream. You fall for your reflection, you will drown in a dream.
Tell me something real, tell me something true. I just wanna feel there's something left that I can do. But I'm nobody's baby, I'm everybody's girl. I'm the queen of nothing, I'm the king of the world.
That's right.